There are websites where billionaires give away money. These websites allow people to apply for financial assistance from wealthy individuals. The money can be used for a variety of purposes, such as paying for education, starting a business, or covering medical expenses. So in this video, we are going to discuss 10 websites where billionaires giving away money. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Number 10. GoFundMe. GoFundMe is not just any fundraising platform. Rather, it has revolutionized the way people pool money to fund personal projects, charity causes, and even emergencies. This has particularly been beneficial for people with limited resources and social connections. You can share your stories and causes with audience, including strangers and rich people, which gives you more opportunities to raise the funds you need. Just share your story, but be truthful. Add videos or photos related to the causes, and share and start accepting donations. Number 9. Fundly. On the website Fundly, generous or wealthy people give free money for your cause. With over 200 visitors per month, it comes with the possibility of getting free money. To start a campaign, you create an account on their website. You describe honestly and in detail your cause or your project. You set fundraising in the budget, and automatically donors will be able to see it who visit the platform. Number 8. Just Giving. This company was established in 2002 with the goal of providing financial support to others. Today, they have nearly raised $6 billion in funds from all corners of the nation. Just Giving is a global online helping platform that's focused on giving. It serves multiple purposes like many of the others that we've shared, and it ranges from fundraising for charities to supporting personal causes. On their website, you'll see people asking for help with a recent earthquake in Turkey. They're looking for relief, and there are others here who are looking to raise money to run half marathons or raise money to buy a car or a special event. With a few simple steps, you can sign up and begin running your campaign. However, make certain that your data is genuine and authentic, or it may be denied. Number 7. Patreon. A generous platform for an artist, a musician, a writer, a content creators, which extended their earning potential by monetizing their work. To be a part of Patreon, it's very simple. Visit the website, create a profile with all the offerings that you're willing to give for what you're going to get, ensure you're creating value, define your membership tiers carefully and the rewards associated with each, and start building a community of patrons. Then share your Patreon link all over your social media profile to receive money for your work. If you enjoy writing, you can earn money from these 5 best writing sites that pay daily. It may be useful if you are truly looking for a way to earn money online without having to rely on others for necessities and needs. Number 6. Go get funding. To obtain funding, you have the opportunity to raise money for personal plans, projects, events, or causes that are important to you. This platform presents fundraising campaigns, as you can see on their homepage. From medical support to financing volunteer trips to exotic destinations, there are various campaigns available. On this website, you will come across generous individuals who are willing to support different causes, whether they are wealthy, rich, or simply kind-hearted. To get started, all you need to do is create a fundraising page, share your story, set a financial target, and promote it within your network as well as beyond. This way, you can gather the necessary funds to fulfill your need. Number 5. Beglist. Another free platform where individuals can seek online donations. It provides a space where people can express their needs for essential items like food, clothing, shelter, and education. If you are facing difficulties or going through tough times, this website could be a helpful platform for you to present your situation and have generous individuals contribute to your cause. To begin, you create a post on the website, describing your circumstances and specifying the type of support you require. It's important to note that the assistance can be in various forms, such as receiving regular donations of groceries, instead of asking for a specific cash amount for your groceries. This platform goes beyond monetary help and also provides a space for individuals to seek educational assistance. Number 4. Fundable. Fundable is the next website on our list where you can get access to free money from wealthy, rich, or kind people. This is a crowdfunding platform tailored to small businesses, startups, and even to large enterprises. It allows entrepreneurs or hustlers to raise funds from both accredited investors and customers who want to pre-order new products or services. Number 3. FundMyTravel. This platform serves as a good friend to people who are in need. Individuals have listed many campaigns for their domestic or international travel expenses. Yes, whether it's for leisure, for work, for study, for volunteering abroad, or for family emergencies, FundMyTravel can help you cover all the travel costs that you would potentially incur. To get started, simply go to FundMyTravel, create a campaign there, share your story, and motivate others to contribute to your cause. You will receive it right away after receiving a donation with no hassle or need for verification. FundMyTravel is a platform that helps people who are in need of financial assistance for their travel expenses. Individuals can create campaigns on the platform to raise money for domestic or international travel, whether it is for leisure, work, study, volunteering abroad, or family emergencies. To get started, simply go to FundMyTravel, create a campaign, share your story, and motivate others to contribute to your cause. You will receive the funds immediately after receiving a donation, with no hassle or need for verification. Number 2. Kickstarter. Kickstarter is not new. It is a renowned crowdfunding platform specifically designed for creative projects. As a project creator on Kickstarter, you have the liberty to determine your project's funding objective and deadline. Backers or supporters who see your project can offer tangible rewards or even experiences in exchange for what they're about to pledge. It opens for various categories, including films, games, music, art, design, and technology. It is important to note that on Kickstarter, funding is either all or nothing, meaning your project must meet the funding goal before you get any money. Kickstarter is a renowned crowdfunding platform specifically designed for creative projects. As a project creator on Kickstarter, you have the liberty to determine your project's funding objective and deadline. Backers or supporters who see your project can offer tangible rewards or even experiences in exchange for what they're about to pledge. Kickstarter opens for various categories, including films, games, music, art, design, and technology. It is important to note that on Kickstarter, funding is either all or nothing, meaning your project must meet the funding goal before you get any money. If your project does not reach its funding goal, no money will be collected from backers. Number 1. Seed and Spark. Seed and Spark is a crowdfunding platform that helps filmmakers raise money for their projects. It has an 82% success rate, which means that most filmmakers who use the platform are able to raise the money they need to make their films. To raise money on Seed and Spark, filmmakers create a project page where they provide information about their film, including the story, the cast and crew, and the budget. They also set a funding goal and a deadline. Once a project is funded, Seed and Spark provides filmmakers with the resources they need to complete their films, including distribution and marketing support. Pureface is an example of a successful Seed and Spark project. The film raised $10,000 to help fund its production. It was then distributed by Seed and Spark and screened at film festivals around the world. If you are a filmmaker who is looking to raise money for your project, Seed and Spark is a great option. With its high success rate and comprehensive resources, Seed and Spark can help you make your film a reality. Here are some additional tips for creating a successful Seed and Spark campaign. Create a compelling project page that will capture the attention of potential donors. Set a realistic funding goal and deadline. Offer rewards for different levels of donations. Promote your campaign on social media and other platforms. Thank your donors for their support. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.